What's up guys, Septic TV here. Today I'm doing something out of the ordinary, just a DIY. I don't know what I'm doing. I just look at a couple videos on YouTube and just gonna go away at it. So basically my septic system, my house is on a septic system. It doesn't have a riser and I want a riser so it's easier from pumping out. So I bought myself a riser, gonna install it, save myself 500 bucks. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, more videos to come. This is not me being a professional. This is just me being a DIY and trying to save 500 bucks. I did a pretty successful job. Hopefully it doesn't leak. So, oh well. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and share. If you guys really did enjoy, help me grow. Alright, peace.